this is Janelle at Resort Recon. We are at the beautiful Twisted Parrot out in Montgomery, Texas on Lake Conroe. We can't wait to show you what this community looks like. They've got everything from a relaxing pool to fire pits, to you can fish on their ponds that they have over here, and all the sights are incredible. Come with us. A few of these waterfront sites do come with palapa. You've got artificial turf and extra wide sites that are really easy to pull in and out of. Arrive, you come to this beautiful gate and they will guide you directly to your site. The gate stays closed 24/7 and they give you a specific code to come and go as you please. So we have this huge dog park out here. Right now we got Euro the sheep, who is also one of the local mascots out here. If your furry friends get dirty, there is a nice bath here for your dogs. They have these great shower houses that are all throughout the community, so there's always a place you can go to get clean. Also throughout the community, they have washer and dryer facilities. You just scan the code and pay. It's very simple, coinless, easy to use. And if you want to cool off, there is this amazing dock that they've built with bench tables, lights, fans. To my right, there's a water fountain. You can get a bucket of balls at their driving range and try to hit your balls into that floating hole. Behind me, there's a fire pit, a two-tiered pool with a swim-up bar, putting green. There's also a fully stocked gym. They're gonna have a restaurant coming soon in the next couple months and also a gift shop. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of the Twisted Parrot out in Montgomery, Texas on Lake Conroe. We have enjoyed every moment of this stay. It's very relaxing. It's very family owned and operated. They truly care about you here. We plan on visiting again in July, and I'm sure that we will update our review at that time. Make sure and subscribe if you like our tours.